Yeah. Well, let's go find some eggs.
Come on, let's go outside. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Do you see one?
Hey, there's one.
Now be careful with those eggs. Don't throw them in your basket. Set them in real gently. There you go.
Found one. And I found another one.
Oh yeah?
Where's the other one?
I don't know. Look in there.
There's one. And where's the other one? I found one.
Cool.
It's all messy.
It's okay. We'll clean it off.
Look at your sunflowers.
I know.
Where's the other one? Where's the other one?
And I see something in that chair right there. Remember, gentle with those.
What? Is there two more? Here's one. Is there two more?
There's more. Hmm.
There's one.
Good eye. I didn't even see that one. You might want to look.
There's another one
Where?
right here.
Wow, good job.
That one. There's something hiding.
Is there any more?
There's
Is
egg.
there any more around in there?
Uh-huh.
Not in the water, is there?
Here's one.
Oh!
I told
Good.
you.
You told me.
There's one more left. There's one.
Hey, I didn't even see that one.
I was here one time.
I wonder if there's any more in the flowers. You see any in there?
No, not in these two.
Let's see. Come over here. You see any in there? Is there any in there?
Is there?
No, not in here.
In these flowers. I look in these flowers. Do you see any? That's a good hiding spot. You see any in there?
No.
Reach your hand in there. Make sure.
There's no in me.
What about in there? No? What about over there?
No.
Behind them. Behind there.
Like right in that area.
I don't see any.
Look in there. Is there any in there? Put your hands in there.
I don't see any.
Zoom back here. Put your hands back there.
I can't.
Right there. Go down. Go down.
I can't.
Put your hands back there.
I can't do it.
Excuse me. Look around. Do you see any eggs?
I see one.
I knew you'd see that one. That one's a tricky one because it matches the feathers. I mean the flowers.
Keep looking for more.
What's over here? Is there anything over here?
There's some. I see
I don't
some.
think there's any over there. Oh, there is. Whoa! Get it! Get it!
Good catch.
Let's find.
Anything over here?
Here's one.
What? Golly, look at all those eggs.
There's.
You better go look that way.
Here's one.
Hey! You better go walk out there. There's a cat. Does a kitty cat have one?
Over here
Over
somewhere?
No. That's Chica. There's one. There's one. something empty egg. I found one.
Good eye.
I found one right here. Well, I'm all done too.
That's okay. You're fine.
I hope there's an
Is that the last
other
one? Is that the last one over there?
There you go. You see any more? Turn around and look.
There's one.
Go get it.
I can't.
Why?
Got it.
I think that's all of them, baby. Good job.
I thinking there's one more.
Nope, I think that's it.
I thinking there's one more here. I thinking there's one more. Come on, let's keep looking for another egg.
Oh, I'm pretty sure we found them all.
I was thinking there's one more. I think
Somebody's watermelons have.
Mm-hmm.
I think the bunny rabbit didn't hide those two.
I think I came out and scared him before he had a chance.
Come on, let's try one more here. One here.
I think we found them all, baby.
There's one more.
I'm pretty sure we found them all. Let's count them. Let's count them and make sure. Let me see.
There's one more.
No, honey, I think we got them all.
I thinking there's one more. I thinking there's one more here. I thinking there's one more.
Baby, I think we got them all. If you let me count them, I'll find out.
Let's go.
Let's go see what's in your eggs.
Yeah, let's go find out what's in your eggs.
Can you say, hey, look at me. Reagan,
There's candy in my egg.
can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Let's go check out your basket.